Alright, welcome back. Before I start this video, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's leaving a good positive feedback on my recent videos, and they're liking it, and they're subscribing, and leaving comments for what video to do next, and just seeing me out in public and telling me, yeah, it's fucking cool. And I want to say thank you and rock on. So today on this video, I'm going to talk about blown out shoes and what to do with them. When you put too much shoe glue, it tends to get into your grits of your grip tape, which causes your board to actually lose grip than gain grip, if you didn't know that. So that's why I don't really use shoe glue anymore. Got a nice goop right there, see? It took over that part. And you're gonna give it 24 hours. It's gonna dry and it's gonna become hard. Okay, so after 24 hours, it might turn out to look like this. This is a shoe that I pre-shoe glued. You know, I cover that little ollie patch right there. It's gonna become kind of like a plastic hard rubber. But like I said, you don't want to put too much of it, because sometimes when you do flicks, it'll actually catch into those pores of your grips and like make your grip tape a little worn down. You know what I mean? So it gets into the pores and the grits of your grip tape. So that's why, that's why I don't really use shoe glue, but this is a video for you to see. Yep. Alright, so now I bet you're wondering, what is the crazy glue for? The crazy glue is actually for the stitches. So what I like to do, and what I learned is, if you're gonna skate or before skating or whatever, skating a shoe, you should put some crazy glue in the stitches, because usually when you have an extra patch of suede that is attached to the shoe, of course skating it, you're gonna be cutting up those stitches. Sometimes those stitches cause your shoe to blow out. This is a perfect example. See that? So what I do with crazy glue is, I always like to put it on all the stitchings of where my, the pattern of my my worn down parts of skating is. Everyone's shoe is different because the way you put your foot and whatever tricks you like to do. So yeah, Crazy Glue. I'm gonna show you how to put it onto the stitches and where, exactly where. All right, stitching is blown out. I'm actually gonna use shoe glue. I'm gonna use shoe glue in there to hold this panel of suede down into the shoe. Okay, so this is the shoe I'm skating now. You could kind of see the stitches kind of getting blown out. So what I like to do is I like to put Crazy Glue on the stitching. Not a lot, because this thing's gonna harden hard. But where the stitching is at, I'll put some Crazy Glue like this. Maybe throw some on this side, because for the ollie hole. Yeah. So as you can see, I put some Crazy Glue here, some Crazy Glue here. Maybe later up here too, because I had some shoes that I Crazy Glue there. Also, I used the Crazy Glue on these Americas. If you could see the stitching, I don't know if you can kind of see it, but the stitching was blown out from the way I skated on these shoes, because every shoe is different, the shape of it. So the way it wears down will show where you're skating or doing whatever. So this got kind of loose. I put Crazy Glue in the stitches and the inside panel just to keep it together, and it's been holding up for a long time, to be honest. If you're gonna use shoe glue, like I said, use it at the places that are missing some spots. You might need duct tape, put in there, cardboard, and just put a little shoe glue, make it connect. Give it like 1 day to dry, and I bet you're gonna rehab that support that was missing in your shoe. For Crazy Glue, this one I use more often than I use shoe glue. I only use shoe glue in case of emergencies, like my sole broke off because the original glue fell off the foxing of the shoe or the sole and just came off. Or there's a crazy hole and I want to patch it up. When you use shoe glue, it's kind of like you're plastic dipping your shoe. You're making like a whole toe cap, an extra toe cap. Some people do that. Some people like that. Okay, so like what I said is don't be too crazy with shoe glue, because shoe glue can, ruin your shoe and grip tape. But Crazy Glue, they're actually going to give it more life with the stitches, in case you get blown out stitches and panels from other suedes. Crazy Glue helps out a lot. Alright, prime example of when not to use shoe glue. Bam!